Smile to the camera. Hello everybody. I have a model here. I'm sure you all remember her from the songs game. Say hi to everybody.
Hello, everyone.
Wow. So today we're going to be doing a very nice, lovely look on her. Smoky look. You know her color is shine bright like a diamond. So we're going to do smoky look on her, black smoky look. So I hope you watch and I hope you learn something. So first of all, to start, I'm going to add a little bit of glow on her face. This is the illuminator on her forehead as well, just to add that extra shine, extra glow. You can see how her face is glowing. Then I'm going on with her foundation. I'm starting with face first. Her foundation shade in classic is number 2. I know you're not a friend of foundation, but today we have to put on your face. So, Ima, tell us, how have you been? How are you? Where have you been?
I've been buzzing and hustling and pushing it.
Buzzing.
Yeah.
How's the hustle going?
Not bad, thank God.
I have a series of questions for you.
They are not bad questions, Sha.
No,
like
no.
when last did you kiss a guy?
No, not that kind of question.
Okay,
I just want you to choose. You're going to choose. I thought of something. Would
Okay.
you rather eat shit that smells like chocolate or chocolate that smells like shit?
Chocolate that smells like shit. Don't tell me, don't have that thing here, please. Chocolate that smells like shit.
Why do you want to eat chocolate that smells like
Because shit, because it's chocolate and not shit. So I know I'm eating chocolate and not shit.
For me, I'll eat shit that smells like chocolate. So you said you eat shit that tastes like chocolate.
Yes.
Okay.
No, chocolate that
You
smells
eat-
like shit.
Okay, you eat chocolate that smells like shit. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to highlight her face now, and I'm using LA Girl concealer for highlights. So, like, name your best places in Lagos. Top 5.
In Lagos.
Yes.
But
Top
not
5 places.
on the mainland or on the island.
Mainland, island. Anyway, like to choose. Top 5.
Top 5.
The time starts now.
Diamond Estate.
Okay.
Was
that part of it?
Yes, now.
Okay, Diamond is
There's
number 1.
Number 1, Angu Villa. It's actually in Lake Face World.
Okay. Angu Villa.
Angu Villa. You guys need to go there. Have dinner with your baby. Where else? Film House.
What's your mouth?
Face
Everywhere. Okay, so there's film house in Tulare.
World. Okay, no, the one in Face World.
It's not open.
One.
So 2 more.
Some more. Yakom. I can buy my hot jollof rice. Amala, and they will do serious one with goat meat, guys. Then last year,
Yeah, the last one.
my room.
So I'm setting a highlight now with Sacha Buttercup loose powder. Just like this. Make it settle into the skin. You all know the importance of this.
I don't know.
You don't know, and you're my friend. You don't know the importance of setting powder.
I don't know that. I'm not a fan of makeup. So.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So if you don't know, it's not my headache. So I'm just going to allow that settle in while I do the powder contour. So I started off with going to do a powder contour face to face, just like this on her face. So now you've told us about the Your favorite places in Lagos. Now tell us about your favorite places in the world.
I've not been anywhere.
I know you've not been anywhere, but at least you would like to go to
Ibiza, yeah.
Ibiza, okay. Where again?
States.
Which states? Be specific.
The States.
Okay, the States.
Anywhere. There.
Okay. Then where else? 3 more places.
Abuja.
No, Abuja is in Nigeria.
And save the world.
Abuja is still the world.
It's inside the world.
Okay.
Then.
Let's just go to Paris.
Yeah,
Germany, New York.
Ibiza. Yeah.
Okay.
Anywhere my money can take me.
Don't worry, we'll make that money.
Where can your money take you?
Money
You have in your bank account.
Money in my bank account right now can take me to Dubai.
Dubai.
It's a lie, yo. Money in my bank account can take me to estate and back. Brows, she has full brows, so I'm not really going to do much. We're just going to fill in, like I'm doing now. Just fill it in nicely. Nicely. So what are the things that you hate? Like what attitude you hate and what attitude you like? Let's do top 5. Today is like a top 5 makeup.
Let me ask you.
Why do you want to ask me?
Let me ask you now.
So attitude I hate.
Yeah.
I hate fake people. I hate fake people. I hate fake people. I hate fake people. I hate fake people.
I hate fake people. I hate fake ass people. I hate fake ass people. I hate fake ass people. And I hate fake people.
You don't have to copy me.
I have to copy because that's what everybody hates, but nobody's perfect.
Okay, what are the like dirty attitudes you hate? Like me, I hate people picking their nose in public. Like you can pick your nose outside. Like no, you can pick your nose like in your room. But don't bring.
Why should you pick your nose out? Why should you do that outside?
People do it though.
People.
Some people do it.
Who are these people, please?
I don't know them. I just see them. What do you want to do?
I'll slap them and run. I'll run the.
So I have done the brows, everything, and done it off camera. Now I'm going to start with a transition color for the smoky, and I'm using this and this color. Yeah. Sorry. Just need to smoke out this one. So I'm just patting the black. By the way, I'm using Zaron spot liner to achieve this look. I didn't use a primer because I don't want that white base to show on the smoky. I want everything to be really dark. So I'm just patting it. Then I'll take my blender and blend through. So model, are you sleeping?
No.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you, what is like your favorite food in the world? Like when they wake you up?
Rice.
I'm not even done.
No, I don't even need to be done. Say rice.
Rice. Why do you like rice?
I like rice. I don't know why. Just the love I have for rice. Oh my god.
Really?
Somebody help me.
Okay, I feel like rice is a food you can get anywhere
in the world.
Wow. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, now. Yeah.
Okay. Please help us confirm. Is rice a food you can get anywhere in the world?
It's everywhere.
Are you sure?
Yes, now. But you can't get yam everywhere.
Okay. And then you can prepare it in different ways. Like what are the ways? Like 5 different ways you can prepare rice.
Fried rice.
Okay.
Jollof rice.
Okay.
Fried rice, jollof rice, coconut rice, Imabong's rice.
By the way, her name is Imabong. So you just advertised yourself. There's nothing like Imabong's rice.
There's nothing. I beg you, don't come at me. Just like Imabong's rice, but there's fried rice, there's coconut rice, there's jollof rice, and what other rice is it?
Banana rice.
Watermelon rice. Continue.
So you cannot see the way everything is smoked. Like that's the idea of the name. What's the idea of the name?
Smoked.
So it's like smoking, like evolving. I don't know how to put it, but you can see it on her eyes. So I'm just going to take out this powder over here. Just going to dust it out. Over to her lip, and I'm going to line her lip now with a brown pencil. It's actually an eye pencil, but we're going for a nude lip, so brown first.
Ta-da!
It's time to do the lash, and we have these very lovely lashes here. Go on. So now we're done with the lashes. Then I'm just going to smoke out underneath her eyes with the transition color I used. So I'm using this color, just a little bit of it, to smoke down her eyes. Time for the powder. So powder all over her face. Just to make everything come together like one family. For some glow. Shine, shine, shine. Just to add, swag, like people say. The whole makeup. Anyway. Time for some blush. Just going to take a little bit, tap tap, and apply it on her face. Just directly a little bit on her cheekbone. So finally we've come to the end of this look. How do you like your makeup?
So fine. Flawless, yeah.
Fine and flawless.
You don't like it? Fine, it's fine. I love my makeup. Thank you, girl.
So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. This is my friend here, Uma. We will see you in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please tell your friends about this channel, and please drop a comment and like this video. Please don't mind my face, but don't worry, you know how to do.
You guys don't know anything. Just tell us to move away from me. Please let me enjoy my makeup. Yeah. Do you love me? Are you dying?
Are you dying?